Hey, this is Jasmeet, your Martech specialist. We were at a very special conference on cyber law, cyber crime, and cyber security. And, I got this opportunity to talk to some wonderful people. Hi, my name is Jasmeet.
Hi, Jasmeet.
What's your name and what do you do?
Jasmeet, my name is Nayantara Malhotra. I am an intellectual property rights attorney. I am the founder of Ostara Legal, which is a team of intellectual property attorneys, corporate
Okay.
lawyers, and litigation attorneys.
Very good. Very good. So, you, I'm sure, is already at the helm when it comes to the law part of it, right? But what is that you learned today? Like, why did this topic interest you? And tell us, how will you implement this?
All right. So, even as an IP lawyer, while I do have fragmented knowledge about the perils of, AI, generative AI, and the lack of data privacy, what I learned in this conference was the magnitude of the perils that lie ahead of us because the unregulated development of AI.
Wow.
So, what I learned today was that there is a need of harmonious development of laws
Mhm.
that globally regulate AI and other aspects of AI so that, innocent people do not get adversely affected.
Right. Right. Do you feel there's a lot of hard work needs to be done after this?
A lot of hard work, yes, firstly in terms of spreading of awareness, because like I said, even lawyers are not aware of the magnitude of the perils that lie ahead of us, right?
Right.
So awareness needs to be spread not only amongst the laymen, but also professionals,
Right.
business owners, other stakeholders,
Right.
because this is something that, we should be shouting at on top of our lungs
Right.
and spreading information about this as fast as we can. Because what stood out to me was that somebody shared that the indigenous people were wondering how is it that, lack of data privacy can affect them.
Wow.
And that actually had my cogs in my brain working, because I was also trying to think how could this affect the indigenous people.
Wow.
But what I realized in that moment, that it affects every one of us, each one of us. So we all need to be aware of what is it that needs to be done to protect ourselves from the perils.
Quick message to your community, your peers, the lawyer fraternity. What would you want to say to them?
Start reading up.
Wow.
All right.
Yes.
Don't restrict yourself to your particular niche. This is something that can not only affect your clients but also your family members. And when that happens, you need to be quick in your response. So start reading about the law and how it affects you and what we can do more to improve it.
Wow. Thank you so much
Alright,
for your time.
thank you.
Take care.
You do.